6 утра. Фотография твоя.
I heard T'Challa say, Wakanda forever, quietly. Like he knew that it was the last time.
У камина в 6 утра. Разбитая
T'Challa
душа.
saved the universe.
И все твои обещания.
Every single one of us.
Пустота.